teacher, my name is Marlon. I am 18 years old. I am from Colombia. I used to live in Urabá, Antioquia, but now I live in Bogota. There are 7 people in my family. My 4 siblings. My mother is teacher. My father work in construction. I had a dog. His name is Balco Samuel, and I really like spend the time with my family. Currently, I study business administration at Areandina, and analysis, no, and software analysis and development and Sena. In my free time, I like playing basketball and I like music, but I don't like baking. At early, I could cook arepas. My favorite food is arepas. So today I will show you how to make them. Today I show you how to make arepas with cheese. There is corn flour, water, salt, and cheese. There are 2 cups of corn flour and 1 cup of water. This recipe costs about 8,000 pesos. First, you can mix the corn flour, water, salt, and salt. Then you make small arepas. Next, you can cook them in a pan for 5 minutes on each side. Finally, I can add cheese and enjoy. Into the question, what ingredients do you need? I need corn flour, water, salt, and cheese. Where can you buy them? You can buy them at supermarket. Again, you eat this recipe. I eat the recipe for breakfast or dinner. Why do you like it? I like it because it is delicious and is to make. Finally, serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching in my video. And how you like it and learn something. Need you next time. Goodbye.